Hi, and thank you for tuning in of the unboxing of our latest dash camera, the YI Nightscape. Let's open up the box and see what we have inside. And here is the dash camera with a screen protector on the back, lens protector on the front. This is a capacitor dash camera, which means it works 100% battery free, allowing you to have it in extreme weather conditions. We have a spacer and an e-logo card reminding you to follow us on social media in case you haven't already, such as Twitter, Instagram or Facebook. We have the warranty card and a user manual. Inside is another spacer. Inside of the spacer we can find additional cables, and we will be able to find a mount and a charger. This is the car charger that allows you to supply your dash camera with power once you've installed it. This is the mount, so you can mount your dash camera on your shield. And we have an extra long USB cable that you can hide within your cockpit. If you have any further questions, please reach out to our customer service, support@𝗀technology.com via email, or find us on social. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.